did a huge digital transformation when we went remote because of COVID. To operate a spacecraft from your home. Never been done, but we figured out how to do it.
I love the fact that there are the talks and the booth bit. It's a really nice balance. So you can learn, you can meet people, you can check out the new technology. It's a great event. I love it.
The main underlying theme here at the event is obviously hybrid work, and I think there's a lot of good practices at the show on how to do that.
Can you be remote and senior? And the answer is clearly yes, because thousands of people do it all around the world.
Everybody is talking about AI, but then what really is the digital assistance? How can that be utilized in an efficient way?
For the last 2 years we've been working at home, but actually to be here, to see different people, to connect, is such a difference.
You're bowled away by how many people actually come. Here you can meet 10, 15, 20 different companies in one go.
I think this is the most important one of these shows we've had in a long time. Businesses right now are rethinking what the future of work's going to look like. I'm not sure that most businesses have actually got that figured out.
So I think for any CIOs, IT directors, heads of IT, I think it's a really good opportunity to see what's out there on the market.
There's always an opportunity to learn, there's an opportunity to absorb and understand new technologies, and then really it's for everybody's personal journey to connect with people and build that broader network as well.